You know what most people do when they hear about a new tool? They search for it on YouTube. And if you search for CineDream right now, there's not much there. Mostly just me talking about it. And I don't think that people just want to hear from me. So I decided to do something about it. A couple years ago, I bought this, the Kodak Super 8 camera. Not because it made business sense, it's actually been controversial for its price, but unlike old Super 8 cameras, this one felt approachable. It has an LCD viewfinder, a modern design, and it made me feel like I could actually do it. But the real reason I bought it is because I've been chasing the look of film most of my life. And at some point, I realized I couldn't build something that truly honors film without actually shooting it myself. And this camera sent me down a rabbit hole. Different film stocks, learning how to use a light meter, understanding film processing and scanning, getting that beautiful, rich film look with deep densities and different color tones, and the nostalgic glow of halation around highlights. Eventually, it led me to buying not just one, but 3 different 16mm film cameras. And that journey has directly informed the film look inside CineDream. This was my first film camera, so this camera means something to me, and now I'm giving it away. Here's the idea. I'm launching the CineDream Grading Challenge. If you use CineDream and create a video showing your workflow, be it a tutorial, a breakdown, a review, some before and after wipes, whatever feels honest, then post it to YouTube, you're entered. That's it. No pitching, no scripting, unless of course you want to, and no having to say it has these such and such benefits. Just show how you actually use it. You can use a licensed version or the free demo with watermarks. Either is totally fine. I just don't want CineDream to be something only I talk about. I want it to be something people experience through real footage from real filmmakers and creators like you. Right now, if someone searches CineDream on YouTube, there's room to grow there, but that won't last forever. So this is a chance to put your voice into that conversation while it's still early. And yes, there's a big incentive. The grand prize is my Kodak Super 8 camera with several rolls of film, so you're all ready to shoot. The retail value is $5,495. The second prize is a DJI Mic 3. Third prize, a Logitech MX Creative Console. 5 finalists will receive a CineDream perpetual license, and everyone who submits will get access to the private CineDream beta on Discord, where you can try out upcoming builds before they're released. There's also a chance to be featured in the CGC Facebook group, in my email newsletter, and when we announce the winners in a YouTube video here on this channel. But honestly, the biggest thing is overcoming fear and putting something out there, because that's how you grow. That's how you get better, and that's how you can help others in their journey. So here's how it works. Submissions are open right now, and the challenge closes March 10th. You can post your video anytime between now and then. After submissions close, we'll choose the winners based on engagement during a post-submission period, so it's fair whether you post early or late. We'll be looking at overall engagement and how helpful your video is, not channel size. So you don't need a big audience to win. The winners will be announced on April 7th. All the details and the submission form are linked in the description below. This challenge isn't about marketing polish. It's all about how you work. Some of the best videos are going to be simple screen recordings. Some will be messy. Some might come from channels with 200 subscribers. That's totally fine. The goal is to build something bigger that helps the community around this tool. So if you've ever thought, I could show how to do this better, now's your chance. And I can't wait to see what you create.